came for my car service. It's already done. So let's have some purchasing of plants. So I've been cheese, that much. Rosemary, chip plant, this one, and these two. There's my purchasing for today. Now it's time for loading for a loading officer. Let's go. VIP back seat. Hello guys, let's go home. So finally my new family members arrived home. Welcome home, homies. And the most beautiful and iconic, this rosemary that I purchased today. It's really wonderful. You can just touch their leaves and smell it. Oh my god, it's really amazing. That much plants and their homes, that much pots. So that's shopping for today.